Presenting the GMC 2015 Sierra 3500 HD, available Wi-Fi Denali. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: seats front full-feature leather appointed bucket with KA1, heated seat cushions and seat backs, includes 10-way power driver and front passenger seat adjusters including 2-way power lumbar control, 2-position driver memory, adjustable head restraints, D7, floor console and storage pockets. STD, Cocoa Dune perforated leather appointed seat trim, hill descent control, LPO assist steps, chromed tubular 6 inches rectangular, dealer installed, engine block heater, rear axle 3.73 ratio, transmission Allison 1006 speed automatic electronically controlled with overdrive electronic.